You are probably wasting hundreds of dollars every single month on expensive software subscriptions. But what if I told you that you could replace almost your entire tech stack using completely free AI tools? After testing over 50 AI tools this year, I built the ultimate free toolkit that replaces expensive software for writing, research, design, video editing, and coding. If you want to stay ahead while everyone else keeps paying for outdated tools, hit subscribe. I test the newest free AI tools every week so you don't waste time or money. Stop paying for Jasper or expensive copywriting apps. The free version of ChatGPT is more than enough for 90% of your writing needs, from YouTube scripts to professional emails and full blog posts. The secret isn't paying for a premium tool. It's mastering the prompt. Give the AI a persona, a clear format, and your target audience, and it will outperform a $50 a month software every time. What about deep research? Don't pay for premium search assistants. Google Gemini and Claude both offer massive free context windows. You can upload entire PDFs, research papers, or meeting notes, and wait until you see the video editing tool later. It replaces software that costs hundreds per year. Next up, design. You do not need an expensive Adobe Creative Cloud subscription to make stunning YouTube thumbnails, presentations, or social media posts. Between Canva's massive free template library and Microsoft Designer's free AI image generation powered by DALL-E 3, you have a complete design studio in your browser. Just type what you want, and it's there. We are about to cover the most expensive software category of all, video and audio. By the way, AI tools change weekly. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you never miss the newest free update. For video editing, cancel Premiere Pro right now. CapCut Desktop is a completely free powerhouse. It has AI auto captions, background removal, and insane transitions built right in. Need a professional voiceover for a faceless channel like this one? Don't hire a voice actor. The free tier of ElevenLabs gives you access to the most ultra-realistic, human-sounding AI voices on the market. Even if you are a developer, AI has your back for free. Tools like the free tier of Cursor or GitHub Copilot integrations act as your personal pair programmer. You type a comment, and the AI writes the code. Finally, to keep all this organized, ditch the expensive project management tools. Notion offers an incredible free tier, and its built-in AI can help you outline projects, organize your side hustle, and track your goals effortlessly. So today, you replaced an entire stack of premium software with free AI tools. A few years ago, this would have been impossible. Which of these paid tools are you canceling first? Let me know down in the comments. I reply to as many as I can. If you want to turn these free tools into real income, watch the video on your screen right now, where I break down the best AI side hustles for beginners.